Hi, today we're going to go ahead and learn how to do a scissors. Starting with your right foot, you're going to go ahead and step to the right, left together with the right, cross right over the left, and hold. You're going to do the same thing on your opposite side to your left. It would be left together, cross, and hold. One more time with the right together, cross and hold, left together, cross and hold. We're gonna go ahead and do this with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a section that you could also do the scissors with a turn. Starting with your right foot or with your left, but for the demonstration, we'll start with the right. Go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and do a right together cross and left together quarter turn. Left together quarter turn. So that would be a scissors with a turn.